One of me is Oukitel K13 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this device. First of all, you need to locate calendar app and click on it. Now click on this icon at the bottom right corner and choose Got It. From here, you can click on the month above and pick a date. When you're ready, tap on this plus icon at the bottom right corner and select Event. Then customize it however you want to. For example, you can add a title over here, then pick starting hour or ending one. You can also disable this feature if you want to by clicking on this switcher next to all day. Now select Does Not Repeat and click on one of those options if you want your event to repeat, for example, every year. If you don't, just select Does Not Repeat. You can also add people, select Add Location here, click on Allow and type in an address. Then click on the correct result, and over here set up notifications minutes, hours or weeks before your event. When you're ready, select Done. Finally, you can click on Add Description, take notes and save your event by choosing Save at the top right corner. As you can see, mine was successfully created. If you want to make some changes, you need to click on it and edit it by tapping on this pen icon at the top right corner. Now make your changes and tap on Save again. If you wish to delete your event though, you need to tap on it, but this time choose those three dots at the top right corner. Tap on Delete and confirm your choice in this pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!